And the top court is hearing the NEET UG case and now the petitioners are demanding that there should not be a NEET examination as the recently held examination should be cancelled as the sanctity is compromised. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has said the matter is urgent as lakhs of students are waiting for the outcome as it impacts their future. Now, top court will be deciding whether NEET re-examination will be held or not, whether the examination that was held on May 5 should be scrapped or not. Meanwhile, the latest reactions that are coming in from the top court and the latest inputs that we are getting is also we are getting Ishika Verma, who is reporting live outside from the Supreme Court. Ishika, the Supreme Court, the latest that we are hearing from the Supreme Court is that CJI is claiming that cancellation of NEET UG will be a concrete step.
Well, as you very rightly said, Aditi, in fact, the Chief Justice of India, who's currently hearing this very crucial case today. Now, what he has made the observation here is that he has said that the re-examination can only be on a concrete footing, that the sanctity has been lost on the large scale. So this is what the CJI has said. Now, first, in fact, let me also tell you that the hearing that is currently going on over that, the Chief Justice of India had earlier, in fact, also asked as to if 1,08,000 people get admission and the remaining 22 lakh, people do not get admission, then does it not mean that the entire examination should be cancelled? So this was also one of the observations that were made by the Chief Justice of India today. In fact, let me tell you that, if we talk about the petitioners here, the petitioners have said that the NTA has declared the result of 100 people, whereas in the other examination, the entire result is declared. So that is what, in fact, the petitioners in this case have, in fact, informed the court, and the CJI on that matter has asked as to how many seats are there in the government colleges, and the petitioner saying that there are 56,000 seats only in the government colleges, and then going on to discuss regarding the seats in in the private colleges. Remember that just a few days back, the central government, the Ministry of Health, in fact had in fact asked all of these colleges to update their seats on the portal by July 20th itself. And now, in fact, Chief Justice making this very important remark, saying that the re-examination can be done only on a very concrete footing, that the sanctity has been lost on a large scale. Now, Huda, who's in fact appearing for one of the petitioners here, lead petitioners here, he is responding here saying that I do not have the complete result, so I can't do the data analytics that the state has presented. But in fact, one of the director of IIT Madras is a member of the convening body of the NTA, is what the petitioners here have said. Now, later on, he's also saying that I'm saying that IIT Madras analysis cannot be relied upon. So this is a very important, argument that has been presented by the petitioners in this case. Aditi, Huda, in fact, who's appearing for one of the petitioners here, saying that I am saying that the IIT Madras analysis cannot be relied upon. Now, SG Tushar Mehta is in fact countering this, saying that it is factually wrong as no member from IIT Madras is on the governing body of the NTA. So certainly the SG Tushar Mehta appearing for the central government here, he in fact has countered this in the top court today, saying that this is factually wrong and that no member of the IIT Madras is on the governing body of the NTA. So very crucial hearing, Aditi, that is continuously going on in the court right now. Remember that the second status report of the CBI has already been submitted, and the Chief Justice also informing that the judges have read that second status report, and also the affidavit that has been filed by the NTA, where they have declined the charges of any systemic failure related to the NEET UG examination. So very, very, very crucial hearing that is going, that is underway here. Over to you.